How to log in to Ocean Credit Card account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here you'll find the search box. Type in Ocean Credit Card Login and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, apply for your credit card online, open it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of it. Now from here you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is click on the option of sign in. You will be directed to the login page. Now from here you can easily get access to your account. First up, type in your username, then type in the password. In the case you have forgotten the username or the password, you can click on these options given over here to recover it. After you provide all the details, click on sign in, and just for that you will be logged into your account. Once logged in, you can head towards the credit card section and manage it. So this is how you can easily log into Ocean Credit Card account. If you haven't registered for your account yet, click on the option of register and go through the process. So that's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.